Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the running version and making a quick backup of critical files. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Next, make sure your device is plugged in, connected to a stable network, and has at least 20% free storage so the installer can expand. Once those prerequisites are satisfied, download the official update package or toggle auto update on. Start the installer immediately and follow prompts. You want the process to begin without delay, so dependencies can be checked automatically. You now run the installer with elevated permissions so it can modify system components. Watch the dependency checks carefully. If a conflict appears, follow the on-screen recommendation to update or remove the conflicting module. Once dependencies are resolved, the updater will apply incremental patches or trigger a full migration script depending on your selection. Make sure to keep the device online and do not interrupt disk writes. Pausing here risks corruption, so let the process finish its checks and file operations uninterrupted. You complete the update by rebooting the device if prompted, and then confirming the displayed version matches the expected release. Once restarted, run quick functionality tests. Open core apps, check settings, verify user data. If items are missing, restore from the backup you made earlier. If the update fails or behaves badly, view the installer logs to identify the error, then either roll back to the previous build or perform a clean reinstall. Make sure to document the error steps so you can avoid repeating the same issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.